AWS Config records details of changes to your cloud resources to provide you with a configuration history. Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokce DB, and in this video, you're going to learn 7 things about the AWS Config service. Let's get into it. Number 1. AWS Config allows you to obtain details of what a resource's configuration looked like at any point in the past. You can take delivery of this configuration history file to an S3 bucket of your choosing.
Stay tuned, there's more to come.
Number 2, you can also record configurations for third-party resources such as on-premises servers, SaaS monitoring tools, and version control systems. The configuration data, including the resource inventory and config history, can be monitored using the AWS Config console and via APIs. Number 3, with AWS Config, you gain visibility into operating system configurations, system-level updates, installed applications, network configuration, and more.
Howdy, partner.
Number 4, AWS Config tracks resource relationships in your account. For example, if a new security group is associated with an EC2 instance, AWS Config records the updated configurations of both the security group and the EC2 instance. Number 5. The service provides you with pre-built rules for evaluating the configurations of your cloud and third-party resources before and after provisioning.
Giddy up.
Number 6. Conformance Packs helps you manage compliance of your AWS resource configuration at scale using a common framework and packaging model. They can also be integrated with AWS organizations. Last but not the least, number 7. With AWS Config, you get a multi-account, multi-region data aggregation capability that gives you an enterprise-wide view of your AWS Config rule compliance status. The aggregated dashboard will also display the total count of non-compliant rules across your entire organization.
Attention!
In summary, AWS Config allows you to continually monitor and record resource configuration changes to simplify change management. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.